Good morning, students. I am Sangeeta, your science teacher. I welcome you all for this e-learning class. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter about our topic leaf. Unit 3 is leaf, and in this chapter we are going to learn about the structure, shape, uses of leaf and why leaves shed their leaves. Children, our today's topic is shading of leaves. Children, plants are very special. Why plants are special? Because they make their own food. And which part of the plant is known as kitchen or food factory? You know it? Yes, it is leaf. So leaves are also known as food factory or kitchen of the plant. Here in this picture, different kinds of leaves. You can see children, shape, size are different. You had already learnt about different kinds of leaves and also about uses of leaf. In this picture, you can see leaves can be used for various purposes. They are used as a plate for eating food. Some leaves have medicinal value and leaf designs are used in various things. For example, in sari, curtain, rangoli, we can use leaf design, and some leaves are also eaten as vegetable. Children, you had already learnt about these two topics in your previous classes. Now, in this period, our main topic is shading of leaves. This is our topic for the today, children, shading of leaves. Children, I want to tell you, what do you mean by shading off? What does it mean? Shading off means falling off at maturity. Now, I am reading these lines, children. This is your book, My Living World, and I am reading these lines. You have to listen it carefully. In certain seasons of the year, we see very many leaves lying on the lawn and the roads. Have you heard, children, the crunching sound of leaves when you step on? Yes, we all have heard. This shows that the leaves of plants are not permanent. Leaves are not permanent. They remain on the plant only till they are able to perform their function well. Children, leaves are really important for the tree, but sometimes it's better for the tree to let them go. They can save all the good bits, and when there is enough water, they can use them to grow brand new leaves. When the leaf become old, the plant shed them off and new leaves then grow up to take the place of old leaves. Now, do you know? Here it is written, the shading of leaves also help the plant to throw out the harmful waste that get collected in its old leaves. So, shading of leaf is very important for plant. Why? Because in this process they shed off old leaves and the harmful waste that get collected in old leaves plants also throw out. Okay, children? Now, in this picture, you can see the old leaves keep on getting shed and new leaves keep coming in their place. Now, in this picture, children, you can see leaves are lying on the ground. This is the picture of shading of leaves. Leaves are lying on the road and on the lawn. In this picture, a man is collecting the leaves. And children, You can see these are the two pictures of leaf. You can clearly identify. One is, the first one is green leaves, which are new leaves, and in the second picture there is a picture of old leaf or leaves. Old leaves are yellow in color and the new leaves are green in color. These are the picture of old and new leaves. And this is all about the topic shading of leaf, children. And now come to your classwork. Fill in the blanks. The leaves of plants are not dash. The shading of leaves help the plant to throw out dash. We eat the leaves of many plants as leaves of different plants differ in their shape, size and dash. Children, I am also giving you the words which you choose from the which word is correct. You choose from the help box and fill in the blanks. Okay, children, this is your first class work. And now I am also going to give you second class work. Draw a tree showing shading of leaves. Children, you have to draw a tree and show some leaves lying on the ground. This is your home assignment, children. Keywords. This is a you have to write this homework in your copy. You have to write words and their meaning also. The first word is aroma, means fragrance, nice smell. Second one is convenient, it means suited to your comfort. Third one is essential, necessary. Garnish, something added to a dish to add flavor or to decorate it. Texture is means the feel of a surface, whether it is rough or smooth. This is all about children shading of leaves. And children, stay inside your house, stay safe, and the most important thing, study well. Okay, children, bye. Thank you.